Here we have a 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. As you can see, one of the Indy replica pace cars. This particular vehicle, two-owner car, clean Carfax, confirms miles, adult driven, well taken care of, no accidents. A little over 27,000 miles, I believe it is, and we'll start it up. Check out the odometer for the exact miles. As you can see, black paint with the Indy decals on the side and the hood. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, I'll tell you where to go on that right away. So you can see the underside of this, the engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. There's probably close to 100 pictures of this car online, top to bottom. You can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Take a close look at the front fascia here. Not full of rock chips, dings, nicks or scratches. Yes, it's black. You may find an imperfection, here and there. But overall, take a look at the reflection coming off the wall, that sign. The car shows very well. Now, as far as the pace cars, Z4Z would have been the RPO code on these. They made 500 of them. There were some coupes, some convertibles, breakdown of both of those. But that Z4Z was the RPO option. This would be a 3LT coupe. Then you'd have the Z51 package on top of that, as well as two-tone seats, the Q9V chrome wheels. You can see their MPP exhaust, of course the graphics, and the Indy 500 insignia throughout the car, which would happen to be like that right there in the headrest and some other special places. Of course, this was driven by Emerson Fittipaldi, who also has the signature back here in a decal on both sides, as well as this being car number 111 of 500. The serialization number of the pace car is underneath the center console cover, as well as Emerson's signature, and you can see that in the still pictures also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. As far as the removable top on this car, it would be the black painted top. I have pictures of it in and out of the car. Right now it is in the trunk. There is also the organizing cargo net back there. There's also the what do you call it, like the security or the sunshade for the rear, so you can't see what's in there. This also has a rear tinted glass, side tinted windows, so all local and state laws are different with that, so check into that. I do have the pictures with the windows up so you can see as far as the darkness of the glass, but definitely check with your state laws on what your what regulations would be. Remember, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. This particular car, of course, will be the LS3 powered with a 436 horse V8 engine. And as far as transmission, 6-speed manual transmission paired up with that LS3. This car does have heads-up display, navigation system. We have heated seats, both sides, dual power seats, dual climate control. Let's go ahead and take a look at the condition of the interior of this. Of course, memory seating, power windows, power locks, mirrors, Bose stereo system. All the goodies you're going to get on that 3LT package. Now, as far as the seat, you can see also nicely worn, no excessive wear on the bolster, the leather. Both sides, entire interior condition of this car, nice shape. All right, let's go ahead and fire it up. Check out those exact miles. It does come with both fobs also, as far as the key fobs. Now you'll notice the warning lights will go off. You're going to have the seatbelt one down there in the corner and the daytime running light one's over here. Otherwise, no warning indicators, any sort of warning lights on. 27,273. Exact mileage. Take a look at the dash. Also in nice shape. Again, your navigation system, dual climate control, heated seats. Slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. I have not noticed any sort of modifications to this car. And again, you can check it out in the still pictures, look at the underside. We're going to pop the hood, look at the engine bay here in just a second. Once again, car number 111 of 500 pace cars made between coupes and convertible total.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
No modifications as far as cold air intake, anything like that. The car's not been driven in inclement weather. Take a look at that hood liner, how clean that is. The car spent the majority of its life in Kentucky, Tennessee area. Smooth running LS3. Get a look from both sides here. In the market for a nice, well taken care of Corvette, like the pace cars, that's a bonus. Looking for one of those, 2008 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe. 200 car, clean Carfax, confirms miles, a little over 27,000 on it. LS3 with a 6-speed manual. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with a sales associate when you call in.